Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am coming to y'all to mold down my hair. I won't be going outside none tonight. Anything, I will just stay in, and I'm gonna be molding down my hair. As you see, I'm using this hair comb. Um, I do not have my brush, so we're going to be um, combing it, slicking it down real good. And we're going to be using the Silk Elements um, Straight and Silky Foaming Styling Lotion with coconut oil and slick. So it stands for relaxed and natural hair, alcohol-free product, something I really like. I do like products that don't hardly have alcohol in it, paraben free and stuff like that. I have a in thing, but we're gonna be using some things for the back of my hair. So we're finna get started. So what I'm doing first, is combing it in the way that I want, because I have a different way. And so once I get that, now I'm finna mess it back up again. Gonna mess it back up again. Just to help me get the product in my hair. But I hope y'all go and watch my other products. Oh my god, look at my eyelids. And I'll put that much. I'll put that on my hand, and I'm gonna do this. All right. And if you have and I'm gonna give you a reason why I end up washing my hair tonight. I end up washing my hair because one, I had real bad flakes in my hair today, and I've been scratching since 6 o'clock my scalp, and I needed to wash it anyway. And I washed the buildup out. I will probably next week. I might just go and get a a perm and get a rinse put in, or just get some more color put back in. Okay. Okay. All right. We have that. All right. So the next thing is I'm gonna let it just sit for a bit, and while I bend down, yeah, you heard me, bend down. All right. There must be in the other one. I'll get that afterwards. But my wraps are in the other room. But let's get it started to mold. So here we go. We're gonna just mold it a bit. Then we're gonna, like I usually do with my towels when I do my hair, take my towel like this. Now we're gonna do the back edges. And when we do the back edges, we are using a brand new, it's lightweight styling gel. And I wanted to see if I can use this as and this is by Curl Chic Mixed Textured hair. It is for curly, crinkly, wavy, and frizzy hair, and it's a lightweight styling gel. So we're going to see how this going to react and thing. And it says lightweight. I love anything that is very lightweight. And we're just going to do a little bit over here. Not much, just a little bit. And we're going to go down right in here as well. And there we go. That is it. That's all we needed to do. But y'all, if you're a wrestling fan like me, WWE is on, so don't forget to watch WWE. Thumbs up this video, and look, we are through. So don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.